Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this episode of Real versus Fake, we're going to be taking a look at one of my favorite handbags. Take a look at these Coach handbags. These are absolutely gorgeous and made with the best quality material. The stitching is near perfect, so I'm going to show you all the little things to look for should you decide to order that Coach handbag online. So first things first, the original design was inspired by a brown baseball mitt. Check out this fine leather on this Coach bag. Now taking a closer look at the stitching, it is near perfection. So if you have odd stitches, loose stitches, crooked stitches, or oddly spaced stitches, you may indeed have a fake. Coach was originally called Manhattan Leather and it was founded in New York. So be on the lookout for New York branding somewhere on your Coach bag. And you absolutely cannot have a Coach without the signature Stagecoach logo. So be on the lookout for it. This is an up close look, but this branding is found on all Coach bags. Also, if your bag has a very strong smell or scent, then more than likely it's not authentic. Coach has a clean, crisp leather smell. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Take care, and I will, of course, see you in the next video. Bye for now.